Hello everyone and welcome to From Pizza to Dal Chawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious cookie crumbs ice cream. This is one of my favorite flavors and this tastes so good. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first in a ziploc bag take your choice of cookies or biscuits. I have taken around 20 to 25 biscuits. Here I have taken chocolate chip cookies and Oreos. You can take any biscuits you like. You can also use blender in pulse mode to crush these cookies. I have closed the bag and crushed them roughly using rolling pin. Keep it aside. Now in a bowl beat and whip 2 cups of whipping cream. Whip till the cream thickens a little and then add 100 grams of condensed milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Beat and whip again till soft peaks form. You can also use hand whisk but it will take so much time. Then add the cookie crumbs and gently fold them in. Now transfer this mixture to an airtight container. Smoothen the top a little using the spatula. To top it off, I am using swirls of melted chocolate. You can also use Nutella, this is completely optional. I am also using some cookie pieces. This will add the extra crunch to the ice cream. Close the lid and freeze for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. After freezing overnight, our ice cream is perfectly set now. Scoop it out and serve. And finally top it up with some Oreo chunks. This is also optional. So this eggless cookie crumbs ice cream is so delicious and creamy. This tastes super amazing and the taste and texture of this ice cream is so good. So do try this out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.